I need to, usually the framing, the substructure, that's pressure treated wood. Usually that's always good. So we're going to take this top coat off. Yeah. Good. I could put my truck over here. Everything will go into the truck. It'll go to the dump. I would certainly allow 1 day for that. Probably 3 men working. We'll pluck and clean all of these nails or screws or whatever the fasteners are. They appear to be nails. Yeah, they're nails. And then let's get a size. All right, so 14 feet by, talking loud so that it hears me. 14 feet by 16. Oh, okay. 14 feet by 18.6. So we have 14 feet by 18.6. Some of the lumber yards carry them 20 feet wide, so we can put them all in one piece. Yeah. I would need 1, 2, Let me make a tally of the planks I'll need. So I'm going to need 2 10-footers, 1, 2 10-footers, 1, 2, 3, 4 16-footers, and the rest are 18.6. I've never heard of them being anything but 20 feet after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 for good measure of the 20-footers. And then what are we going to do about this stair tread? We'll probably just make a new box. Yeah. And out of that extra 20-footer that I got, we'll put it in 2 pieces so the water runs off, and we'll just dispose of that all together. I'll make a new framing out of 2 by 4. I'm going to make a square box of 2 by 4 and put those pieces on it, and it'll just rest right in contact with the ground like this is doing. Let's add 2 more planks, 3 more planks for the face of this. Okay. All right, and there goes the old deck. All cut up in 8-foot sections going to the dump. I'm surprised that it's packs out that small. Okay, so we went from the old deck to this. Really nice. We picture framed it again.